Hey people, well you won't believe it, but I just got me another fan. This is a 1976 Lakewood model P-223-W. W of course stands for Westinghouse motor. And it's in Avocado Green, as you can see here. Yes, I got me another Avocado P-223. Only difference with this one and the others that I have is, you see, yeah, it's got the later white speed sticker. Yeah, I did have two of these before I got this one, but they both had the same green sticker, so thought I had more variety and get one with the later white sticker. And I plan to give away one of the other two green P-223s that I have, so all I need is one with each speed sticker. So we'll have an overall look at this and we'll fire it up. Once again, we have that nice avocado green color. Here to the other side. As you can see, the cabinet's got its fair share of blemishes or scuffs here and there, especially right up here at the top right hand corner of the cabinet. You can see it's pretty scuffed up in that spot. And we have smaller scuffs further down on the same side, but it's mostly up here. And I think there's some mild rust in the inside of the cabinet, particularly on the bottom. Turn this around to the back. There's the back cabinet. There's the Westinghouse motor. Date code on the motor is L76, which is for which I believe is for November of 1976. So yeah, this is from late 76. So there were a few Westinghouse motor models being produced, even though most of them at that time were starting again to use Macmillan motors. Turn back to the front. Here's a full view of the top. Yeah, there's the slightly larger handle. Yeah, unlike one of my other two, which has this handle kind of ghetto rigged onto it. I mean, this is a rightful handle for this one. And even on the top, there's a little bit of scuffs here and there. And once again, there's the white speed sticker. Got to turn the power strip on. There we go. And we'll give this thing a run for you. Unlike all my other Lakewoods with the Westinghouse motor, this one doesn't have the really high running speeds. Yeah, this one has the same kind of speeds that a regular Macmillan motor one would have from the same era. So, and something seems to be loose in the motor, which you may probably hear some kind of noise or something, so maybe a grinding noise, or maybe just, I don't know. Anyway, here's high. Medium. Low. The low, as you can hear on this one, is kind of low. Not like really low like some, but kind of low. So, back to high. And as always, OFF spells off. And as you can tell, the blade's a bit out of balance. A few friends of mine have a P-223 like this one. First one I've seen like this was the one belonged to my friends Spats Bear and Harley Badger, which you can see in Spats Bear's Comparing the Old and New video, part 2. And I think my friend Caleb Poggill has one, as does a YouTube user you don't hear much of anymore named Noah Man 1925. What's funny is pretty much all these Avocado P-223s I've seen from this era pretty much all have Westinghouse motors. The only exception being the one that Spats Bear and Harley Badger have, which has Macmillan motors. So anyway, this is my 1976 Lakewood model P-223-W, with of course the Westinghouse motor. So thank you for watching.